For over 2 years now, the Corning Children Network has been looking to expand in hopes of helping more families as childcare prices continue to rise. In November, they gained an opportunity to open a new location, but it just needed a few changes.
New carpeting to some walls that were replaced to adult bathrooms, making sure that the spaces are open and allow for children to explore and learn in the way they want to and be able to be curious.
The new building, located on 111 Canada Road in Painted Post, will help the Corning Children's Center get more families needing care off of their growing wait list.
We have about 100 on our wait list. When that center closed in January due to these renovations, we ended up at over 150 now that are on our wait list. So
With hundreds of applications flowing in from families looking for childcare, the new location allows for families around Corning and Painted Post to have a safe and affordable place for their children to learn and grow.
Tesla is also making it affordable, and many families want to make sure they understand we have a sliding fee scale. So depending on the size of your family, we adjust, and your income, we adjust that so that each family has their own set amount that they pay so that it meets their family's needs.
The Corning Children's Center West is set to open in September, and excitement is high.
The joy of being able to fill that with children's laughter and parents chatting with each other and our just thrilled. It's going to be a wonderful day, and I'm so looking forward to it.
With the ribbon cutting set for September 4th, Big Fox News will be there to cover it. Dante Brown, Big Fox News, Corning.